Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Hannalei Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Stingrays, here in the multi-purpose room, the MPR. This is part of the Vista Unified School District. This is my third visit to their campus this year for the AM/PM program. That's the after-school program, and I got to speak to the students and staff today. It was just another amazing afternoon. The main topic you'll see was on the screen: positivity, be your best self. And what I really try to hammer home in this particular assembly is the need to be positive, have a positive mentality and attitude in every area of our lives, right? Everywhere, but also with everyone, right? And days like today when the sun is shining here in sunny California, it's very easy to be positive, but the rain that we've had lately, it's very easy to get negative, right? And that's the same it rings true for things going on in our lives, in our hearts. Sometimes things aren't always the easiest. They aren't always going to be simple, but those are opportunities to make us stronger, right? So that's why I wear this shirt for this particular assembly. It says, keep your head up. And the words are upside down on purpose because you're feeling down, feeling sad, your head's down. It says, keep your head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what. And this means that we understand the opposite of success, which is not failure, like a lot of people think it is, but it's quitting, giving up, right? We can fail over and over again, but it doesn't make us a failure, right? We can make mistakes over and over again, but it doesn't make us a mistake. So we have to remember that, we can always keep going, keep persevering, keep pushing, and really just keep doing our best. That true excellence is not always being the best, being in first place, winning the race, getting 100%. It's just giving the effort, right? But if you give that effort, if you get those positive results planted in your mind and in here, because whatever you tell your mind and your heart's going to believe. We want to be telling it something positive, and if we keep it, that outlook, usually we're going to get the results that we want, right? And we also have to always remember our power, our worth, our value, and that ties into this concept that I bring up in all my assemblies. But all of us with lines on our hands have the letter M, right? That M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, and we have to buy into that, right? We have to truly believe that, because there's a real common theme where a lot of times we compare ourselves to others around us, right? And their successes, or how good they are at something, and we think that makes us not good enough. But the idea is that we just have to, again, do the best that we can, right? Have the right attitude, the right work ethic, and just really, keep striving every day to just do our best. And once you've done that, then all of a sudden things are going to start to fall in place, right? And part of doing your best as well, it's not just self-encouraging yourself, but it's encouraging others too, right? Helping them get up to your level or beyond. And if you don't understand something, asking for help, right? We have to be able to reach out and know that whatever we're doing, we just want to keep being better. And I think that was the main points that I was really trying to hammer home in today's program, and the students really got that. They really took it to heart. So thank you so much for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Have a great rest of this school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.